How to record videos on an LG phone. Recording videos with your LG phone is easy. To record a video, first open the camera app. Then swipe at the bottom to highlight video and tap on the red record button to begin. Tap the pause button to pause recording and tap it again to continue recording on the same video file. If you wish to take a still picture while recording, tap the camera button. To end recording and save the file, tap the red stop button. If you want to record with the front-facing selfie camera, tap on the arrows in a circle on the right to swap cameras. Note that phones with multiple lenses will let you change the zoom level of the video by tapping on the arrow while recording. Press and hold on this to choose the zoom level and zoom to the desired magnification. Some phones may have other video recording modes, such as time-lapse to speed up playback to show long periods in a short time span, and slow-mo to slow playback to show short periods over a longer time span. There may be other modes as well depending on phone model. You can select these recording modes by swiping between the modes at the bottom, or by going to More in the menu. Please refer to your product owner's manual for additional information on recording videos and available camera settings. Thank you for choosing LG. We hope you enjoy your phone.